Welcome, my dear friends, to English Lit Stories. In today's video, I am going to share with you something extremely exciting. We will have a friendly conversation in English that will help you improve your speaking skills naturally. This is part of our 3-month course, so make sure you listen to every conversation carefully and note important phrases. These conversations are based on real-life English, the English we use every single day. Following along will help you become a fluent and confident speaker. Today's topic is how to meet someone for the first time.
So, before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss next important videos. Let's begin. The conversation. Meeting with someone for the first time.
Hi, John. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
I'm great, thank you. So, what's up?
Not much, just enjoying the day. How's it going with you?
Everything's going well. By the way, friends, notice how we just used 4 different greetings. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? What's up? And how's it going? These are all natural ways to greet someone in English.
Exactly. And when meeting someone for the first time, it's polite to say, "Nice to meet you." So, Emma, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. Saying nice to meet you shows that you are polite and happy to meet someone.
After greetings, I usually like to ask simple questions to start the conversation. For example, where are you from? Or what do you do?
That's a great idea. Asking these questions helps the person feel comfortable. I also like asking about hobbies, like, do you enjoy reading? Or do you play any sports?
Yes, and it's nice to show interest in their answer. If someone says they like reading, I might respond, "That's interesting. What kind of books do you enjoy?"
Exactly. And giving small compliments works really well too. Something like, I like your bag, or you have a great smile. It's simple, but it makes people feel warm and appreciated.
I agree. Friends, it's important to listen carefully to the other person. That way, you can respond naturally and keep the conversation flowing.
Right. And sometimes you can share a little about yourself to keep it balanced. Like if someone says they enjoy reading, you could say, I love reading too. My favorite book is...
That's a great tip. Also, using casual phrases can make the conversation feel relaxed. For example, "That's cool," or "No way, really?" These show excitement and interest.
Yes, and let's not forget body language. Smiling and nodding while someone talks shows that you are engaged. A simple smile can make a huge difference in first impressions.
Friends, sometimes conversations get awkward at first. But don't worry. You can always use phrases like, "So, tell me more about that," or "That sounds fun. Tell me about it," to continue the dialogue naturally.
Exactly, John. And if you're meeting in a more casual environment, phrases like, hey, good to see you, or how's everything going, make the conversation feel friendly and approachable.
You can even add a little humor if it fits the situation. Something like, "I hope I'm not boring you with all these questions." It makes the interaction light and fun.
And remember, friends, the goal is not to ask a lot of questions quickly, but to have a smooth conversation. Show genuine interest and share a little about yourself too.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Soon, these greetings and phrases will feel natural, just like we're talking to a friend.
So, friends, next time you meet someone new, try using these phrases. Start with greetings, ask simple questions, give compliments, smile, and share a little about yourself. It will make your conversation friendly, smooth, and confident.
Yes, and don't forget, using different greetings like, "Hi, how are you? How's it going?" and "What's up?" makes the interaction feel natural and lively.
Absolutely. And remember, small talk is the first step to building new friendships.
So, let's practice these phrases in real life and have fun meeting new people.
Friends, here are all the key phrases we used in today's conversation when meeting someone for the first time. Hi, how are you? Friendly greeting. How are you doing? Another natural way to ask how someone is. What's up? Casual greeting, asking what someone is doing. How's it going? Casual way to ask how someone is feeling or how their day is. Nice to meet you. Polite phrase for first meetings. Simple questions like, where are you from or what do you do, help start the conversation. Hobby questions like, do you enjoy reading, helps find common interests. Compliments like, I like your bag or you have a great smile makes the person feel comfortable. Responses like, that's interesting. I love that too. That's cool. No way, really? Show engagement. Follow-up phrases like, tell me more about that, keeps the conversation going. Casual greetings for different situations like, hey, good to see you, or how's everything going? Friendly and approachable. Smiling and body language always helps make the conversation warm and friendly.
Friends, practice all these phrases when meeting someone new. They will make your conversation smooth, natural, and confident. And we will see you in the next video.